Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video we are going to make a caterpillar, and for that I took 2 leaves and some pom-poms, few eyes, and to start off with I put some glue on the leaf, spread it according to the way the caterpillar looks, made a wavy line so they can put pom-poms accordingly. Make sure to put enough glue so that the pom-pom can stick on it properly. So the next step is that they have to put the pom-poms, and they have to make sure that they put it very nicely and neatly so that the glue is not visible. Later on I put the head of the caterpillar so that they can put eyes on it, as it was really hard for the smaller pom-poms that we can put eyes on it. In this activity a lot of glue is used, so a lot of mess is also created because of it, but well, the end part is that your children enjoyed making this craft. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. अजान हो रही है, खामोशी से सुनो। अच्छा भाई आराम से ग्लू को ड्राई होने दे, फिर खेलते रहना।